Hey there, little learners. Welcome to Twinkle Twinkle Learning Academy. Today, we're going to explore the super cool letter S. Let's see what awesome things start with the letter S. Are you ready? Let's go. S is for strawberry. Look at this yummy strawberry. Strawberries are bright red and super sweet. You can eat them fresh or in desserts. strawberry, strawberry. S is for sunflower. Next, we have a tall and beautiful sunflower. Sunflowers always turn towards the sun. Isn't that amazing? sunflower, sunflower. S is for spoon. Here's a spoon. We use spoons to eat soups, ice cream, and more. Can you say spoon? S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S is for snake. Look, it's a slithery snake. Snakes are reptiles that move smoothly on the ground. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S is for scissors. These are scissors. Scissors are used to cut paper, fabric, and lots of other things. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. S is for sandwich. Yum! This is a sandwich. Sandwiches are made with bread and yummy fillings like cheese, ham, or veggies. S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H, sandwich. S is for star. Look up, it's a star. Stars twinkle brightly in the night sky. Can you find the letter S in star? S-T-A-R, star. S is for scooter. Vroom. Here's a cool scooter. Scooters are fun to ride, and you can zip around the neighborhood on them. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. S is for socks. These are socks. Socks keep our feet warm and comfy. What color are your socks today? S-O-K-S, socks. S is for snowman. Finally, here's a snowman. Snowmen are fun to build when it snows in the winter. S-N-O-W-M-A-N, snowman. Wasn't that fun? We learned about so many cool things that start with the letter S today. Keep practicing your S words, and we'll see you next time at Twinkle Twinkle Learning Academy. Bye-bye.